Hello learners, I am Manish Pamar, working as principal in General BC Joshi Arim Public School, Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand. Today, I am going to share my views on the topic teacher or educator. I want to put a question to all my friends in a school. Are you a teacher or educator in 21st century? Anyone having a educational degree like B.Ed in India is qualified to become a teacher. The degree makes you a teacher but not necessarily an educator. One can teach students in a school or college, but a very few can educate students. According to Webster Dictionary, the literal meaning of teacher is a person who teaches, especially one employed in a school. An educator, a person distinguished for his or her educational work. An educator accepts responsibility for the educating process. A teacher simply teaches irrespective of whether learning has taken place or not. Teaching might be a 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. job for a person. Their job finishes with the dispersing bell of the school. But an educator tries to reach to the core of students' mind to help. Educators give time to students to find out and solve their problems. Teaching is not just a job for them, it is a passion for them. A normal teacher always tries to finish the syllabus and focus on how many students have got good marks to show their performance to school management. They aim for passing percentage through different types of assessment, maybe formative or summative. But educator focus on development of students to inculcate 21st century skills like collaboration, critical thinking, social responsibility, and many more. They try different activities as per the need of their students to get the best output. A teacher just tells the information, facts, rules, etc. related to subject without going into the details. He or she is more concerned about the completion of written work. Students hardly get chance to show their talents in the classroom. But a real educator or a real teacher tap the potential of students and give them chance to boost their morale. He inspires them to go an extra mile to achieve success. Students are motivated to showcase their talents not only in academics but in co-curricular activities as well. As I said earlier, for a teacher, teaching could be a job to earn money or earn livelihood. But teaching profession is just more than a job. It's a calling, it's a passion, it's a service to the nation. Educators learn and grow with their students. They learn till they reach to their deathbed. They are they see every student as a new chance of learning. They accept their mistakes, learn from them, and modify them for better learning. Normal teachers restrict themselves to limited circle only. They don't think beyond a certain level. They are happy in completing their syllabus with no additional efforts for students. But an educator guide their students to face the challenges of world. They prepare them about unforeseen aspects of future. They use technological advancements to improve their teaching learning process. For them, the whole world is a classroom. An average teacher uses traditional method of rote learning, cramming, completion of homework in old-fashioned styles, and so on. They do not prefer teaching aids to supplement their methodology. But educators use technology in education as per the need of today's students. Nowadays, students are digital natives, mean they are born and raised in digital environment. To handle these digital natives, digital environments need to be provided for happy and meaningful learning. At the end, I can just say that all educators are natural teachers, but all teachers may not be educators. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.